Hello friends, welcome to Biovidyalaya. This is your educator Chitra. I hope you all are doing very well. Here in this video we are going to discuss about one of the important type of CSIR net question from genetics. And I took this question from our CSIR net June 2020 question paper. And this type of question is very easy to solve, and it is very important question, and you can expect this type of question in all of your CSR net examination. And this question is from genetic mapping, and we already had discussed some of the questions like this in our one of the previous lecture video, and the link for that video is here in the below description. Please go through that video also. So let's begin. This is the question from our last CSIR net examination. Question is, a panel of 6 hybrid cell lines, each containing different subset of human chromosomes, was examined for the presence of the gene product as shown below. The gene which code for the given gene product is located on which chromosome? Option 1, chromosome 3, 4 or 5. Option 2, chromosome 3. Option 3, chromosome 3 or 4. Option 4, chromosome 4. This type of question is very easy to solve if you understand what they given. So here they given that a panel of 6 hybrid cell lines, each containing different subset of human chromosome, was examined for the presence of the gene product as shown below. So here the 6 hybrid cell lines are A, B, C, D, E and F. Next is gene product present. Here positive means present and negative means absent. Okay. And next is human chromosome present, subset of human chromosome, that is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If that particular human chromosome is present in a particular cell line means they are given positive. If it is absent in that particular cell line means they are given as negative. Okay. So present means positive and absent means negative. Okay. The gene which code for the given gene product is located on which chromosome? Next, here we have to find in which chromosome the gene coding for a particular gene product is present. Gene product means particular protein is present. Okay. So, I told you that positive means present. Here gene product present is given. Here in cell line A, gene product is present in cell line A, gene product is present in cell line B, and gene product is also present in cell line F. Okay. So, in which cell lines the gene product is present? Gene product is present in A, B and F. Okay. Next is human chromosome present. Positive means present, negative means absent. Okay. So here you can see that human chromosome 1 is present in cell line A, 2 is present in cell line A, 3 is present in cell line A, 4 is present in cell line A. But 5 is absent in cell line A, 6 is absent in cell line A, 7 is absent, 8 is absent, 9 is absent and 10 also absent in cell line A. So, which subset of human chromosomes are present in cell line A? 1, 2, 3 and 4. These chromosomes are present in cell line A. Next is cell line B. Okay. So in cell line B, 3 is present, 4 is present, 5 is present, 6 is present and 7 is also present. So which chromosomes are present in B? B cell line? 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Next, cell line C. In cell line C, 2 is present, 3 is present, 8 is present, 9 is present and 10 is also present. So 2, 3, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Next is, this is A, this is B, this is C. Next is D. In D, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which chromosomes are present in cell line D? 2, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Next is E. In E, 2 is present and 6 is also present. 2 and 6. Next is F. In cell line F, 1 is present, 2 is present, 4 is present, 5 is present and 6 is also present. So 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We know that gene product is present only in cell line A, B and F. Next we have to check which chromosome is common only in A, B and F. So here we can see that this chromosome 4, that is common only in A, B and F. Okay. No other chromosome is present in all these 3 cell lines. No other chromosome is present in all these 3 cell lines. See here, 1 is present in A and F, that is not present in B. Okay, 2 is present in A, 2 is present in F, 2 is present absent in B. Here also 3 present in A, 3 present in B, but it is absent in F. Here 5 that is present in B and F, that is absent in A. Here 6 is present in B and F, that is absent in A. Next 7 that is present in B only. And here nothing is common in A, B and F. Only chromosome 4 is common in A, B and F. Okay. So the gene coding for that particular gene product is present in chromosome 4. So the answer is chromosome 4, option 4. Okay. I think this is clear for you. If you like this video and find it helpful, then please share this video with your friends and batchmates so they will also get benefit from this. And also don't forget to subscribe this channel and enable the bell icon so you will get notification when I upload new videos. So keep learning. Thank you.